Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned GLC 300 4MATIC Coupe. This one's black. Under the hood's an inline-4 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the GLC are front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one does have the illuminated star, so at night that does light up. We've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Black MB text interior, sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, a trailer hitch, power liftgate, fresh set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, lots of space in the back here. Coming alongside, we've got a natural grain black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, Burmeister sound system. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, an illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our command center with our dynamic selects, cup holders. This vehicle has 47,354 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of the GLC, check out feldmannimports.com.